Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add users and give access to your team in Canva. This feature allows us to collaborate with others on design projects and brand assets. We will walk you through how to invite users and manage their access. Now, let's get started. On your project's dashboard in Canva, simply click the project you want to share. Move your cursor over the project, and you will see 3 dots appear. Click on those 3 dots, and then click Share. Next, add the email addresses of the people you want to share with. For example, let's type in the emails here. Once you're done, click the Access drop-down. From here, you can choose between Can Edit, Can Comment, or Can View. Simply select the option that fits your needs by ticking the one you want. If you are not a premium user, some features may not be available. Just click Enter to continue. Once you're ready, click Enter again, and the person will receive a notification that they have been added and given access. When you're done, copy the link and send it to your team. We have now successfully added users and given them access in Canva. We can now easily collaborate with the team and work on designs together.